Welcome to another episode focused on quality improvement in healthcare. Today we'll be exploring how understanding variation and managing clinical processes can lead to better, safer, and more consistent patient outcomes.
Section 1. Understanding variation in clinical processes. All clinical processes have variation, but not all variation is the same. Understanding the difference between types of variation is the first step to improvement. Random, common cause variation. Natural and expected variation in a stable process, caused by normal fluctuations in staff, patients, or workload. Example, slight variation in emergency department wait times from day to day. Special cause variation. Unexpected variation, due to an identifiable event or external factor. It signals something new has entered the system. Example, a sudden spike in medication errors after implementing a new EHR system. Key message. You don't manage these variations the same way. You study common cause, but you investigate special cause. Pro tip. Don't try to fix common cause variation with a one-time solution. You need systemic change for that.
Section 2. Why process stability matters. Before we can improve a clinical process, we need to ask, is it stable? What is a stable process? A process that is predictable and only affected by common cause variation. It does not fluctuate wildly or unpredictably. You can trust the data from a stable process. Example, if medication administration errors happen consistently within a 1 to 2% range, it's likely a stable process. If 1 week it's 2%, the next it's 10%, something special is going on. Why stability matters. You can't improve what you don't understand. If the process is unstable, your changes may get lost in the noise. Stability lets you see the true effect of any interventions. A stable process gives you a baseline. Without that, you're making decisions in the dark.
Section 3. How to optimize a clinical process. Once your process is stable, you can start making it better. Let's look at common approaches to process optimization in clinical care. Approaches to optimize clinical processes. 1. Map the process, flowcharting. Understand every step, from patient intake to discharge. Tool, process map or swim lane diagram. 2. Eliminate waste, lean thinking. Remove unnecessary steps, delays, or duplications. Example, cut redundant documentation that adds no value. 3. Standardize workflows. Use checklists, protocols, and clinical pathways to reduce variation. Example, surgical checklists to ensure consistency in pre-op procedures. 4. Use data to drive improvement. Monitor real-time metrics through run charts or control charts. Example, track fall incidents monthly and compare against baseline. 5. Engage frontline staff. Involve nurses, physicians, and admin staff. They know where the bottlenecks are. 6. Test changes using PDSA cycles. Try small-scale improvements and scale up if they work. Improving care isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter.
Summary and key takeaways. Let's summarize what we've learned. Understand the difference between common and special cause variation. Recognize the importance of a stable process before trying to improve. Use tools like flowcharts, lean methods, PDSA cycles, and run charts to optimize care. Healthcare improvement isn't just about innovation. It's about understanding variation, building stable systems, and optimizing them with evidence-based tools.
Have you identified variation in your clinical workflows? What tools helped you improve your processes? Share your experience in the comments. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with your quality improvement team.